Hey everybody, Chris Early with Liberty Inspection Group here. Today I just want to talk a little bit about how Liberty is long-term. What I mean by long-term is we're available for as long as you own that home if we've performed the home inspection. So if you have questions after you move in about what needs to be done around the house, or say you're doing a project around the house and you don't know good contractors in the area, we can always be a good referral source for that. If you don't know how much you're paying, or maybe you're paying too much, or maybe the scope of work being done that the contractor's saying needs to be done doesn't really need to be done, we want to be available for as a resource to you for the life of your home ownership. Hope that helps everybody. Thanks a lot.